My name is Justin Tomlinson, and I am playing Pedro. I became an actor because when I was a kid, and later when I was a teenager, I didn't really like myself. And watching people, I, on stage, saw it as a chance to become more than myself. And ironic as it sounds, by becoming other people, I learned to love myself. And it became a drug. I've been doing it ever since, and I love it. So far for me, one thing I really love about The Visit is that it really is defying what a lot of misconceptions are about community theater. I mean, a lot of people have maybe seen Waiting for Guffman, and they have this idea that community theater is just, you learn your lines, and you do a show, and you clap, and that's the end. And this company, it's very much not that. We're doing a lot of table work and getting to the heart of what this show is about. Because if this story were important, it would have been written. And another thing that's very gratifying for me is getting to see some of the younger people, the greener people who haven't done a lot of shows before, and getting to watch them learn and get hooked onto this. And for me, it feels like by me being here for them, I'm giving back what I got so much out of when I was younger. When I'm not on stage, I'm learning more about the stage. I'm currently a theater major, a senior theater major at the University of Central Oklahoma, and during the summers I teach with American Theater Company. I just hope that people come to this show and really are touched and think about things, because one quote that I've always loved is that art is not a mirror to hold up to the world, it's a hammer with which to shape it.